Right, so let's look at some useful phrases talking with the pharmacist. Pharmacist. So you go to the pharmacist, you want to talk to the pharmacist, because he can help you, just like that, help you with advice on medical stuff. I got a problem, the pain is here, I have this issue. Talk to the pharmacist, get some advice, just like that. Very nice. Okay. So the pain is here. Simple as that. Pain is here. 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 Basic stuff. That'll help. I've got pain here. I have pain here. I have pain here. I have pain here. Here. By simply saying that, that will really help on what the problem could be. I have a burning sensation. I feel unwell. I feel hot. Feel hot or tired. I feel hot. Feel tired. I feel tired. Feel unwell and beyond. I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a toothache. I have a stomach ache. And beyond. Do you have any paracetamol, cough drops, plasters, bandages? Do you have any paracetamol? Paracetamol, little pill. Or little pill. Makes sense. Do you have any cough drops? Any, as in like at least one? More than one perhaps? More than one? I need one. Do you have one? One. Just one, please, one. Do you have any cough drops? Maybe? Yes? No? Maybe? Depends on things. I'm allergic to... well, mushrooms, pollen, cats, dogs, dust, nuts, bananas, peas, fish. Loads of things you could be allergic to. Don't want to eat that. No thank you. No thank you. No thank you. Yeah, could be anything. No thank you. Yeah. I've been coughing for 1 day. 3 days. For 3 days. 3 days. 5 days. And beyond. Yeah, it happens. Happens. I've been coughing for 5 days. Not good. I would like... What medicine? I would like tooth medicine, cream, ointment, and paracetamol. I would like some skin medicine, perhaps. Skin. Skin medicine. Yeah. Eye medicine. Anything. Yeah. A certain kind of medicine. Please. 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 Makes sense. Yeah. So, the pain is here. I have a burning feeling. Burns like fire. 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 I feel unwell. Do you have any paracetamol? Do you have any cough drops? I'm allergic to that. Allergic to this. I've been coughing for 3 days. 10 days. I would like skin medicine, please. I would like a medicine, please. Please. How cool is that, language explorers? How cool is that? Let's keep going.